With XRP growing by the second, the contest to be the finest cryptocurrency on the market appears to be heating up. The general success of cryptocurrencies such as XRP has also inspired a large number of new entrants into the market. This raises the question of whether XRP will be able to maintain its dominance in terms of community trust as well as the adoption that the other cryptocurrencies may be aiming for. As this news comes in, today's video will answer all of your questions. Stay tuned to find out more about what we're talking about. You must like and subscribe if you want to stay up to date on all crypto news. Don't overlook anything in the future. Keep an eye out for bulls and bears. Keep watching till the end to find out how to quadruple your money. Make sure to enable all of your alerts for our channel in order to stay up to date on the latest XRP news. Before we begin, please keep in mind that nothing in this video constitutes financial advice. This video is strictly for entertainment purposes. Throughout this video, make sure to undertake thorough due diligence and to invest only once you are confident with your results. Let us get you started now that you know what may lie ahead. Our goal is to ensure that nothing stands in the way of being a successful investor, as all you need is solid knowledge. With us at your side, you will be able to obtain a wealth of knowledge in a very short period of time. Unlike others in the cryptocurrency market, XRP has been one of the most successful cryptocurrencies in terms of technology and flexibility. Many people have invested in this cryptocurrency because of the low transaction fees along with a higher rate of acceptance by financial institutions, which is backed up by Ripple. The litigation against Ripple has reached a climax in recent months. Since the lawsuit was filed, the price of XRP has plummeted dramatically, resulting in a loss of community members. Despite the fact that things were going south for XRP, Ripple continues to push forwards and enhance its technologies to make transactions frictionless and effortless. This characteristic is maybe why Ripple was able to maintain the price of XRP stable while dealing with the SEC litigation. Tranglo, a Malaysian cross-border payment provider, and Ripple announced the introduction of Tranglo's first on-demand liquidity service on RippleNet. RippleNet is the global payment network for financial institutions operated by Ripple. They also intend to build more remittance corridors in the future months. One of the primary reasons why the community members have invested much in the upgrading is their cross-border transaction capacity. This is maybe one of the primary technologies that could transform the way banks work, and it will also be able to obtain a lot more direct collaborations with financial institutions. Soon after the announcement, Ripple purchased more than 40% of Tranglo, allowing them to make a significant step towards attaining the goals they had set for themselves. This occurred in March and was part of Ripple's Southeast Asia expansion strategy. They chose the Philippines over the rest of the world for a specific purpose. This was due to the fact that in 2020, personal remittances received in the Philippines accounted for more than 9.7% of the country's GDP. As a result, the Philippines is an important remittances market and Asia's third largest remittance recovery country. Surprisingly, this was also the country where cash provided by Filipinos working abroad were considered economic lifelines. According to the information we have, the Philippines could be an excellent location for the Ripple to relocate and work. It is critical to note that Ripple considered all of these aspects before making a decision that appears to have worked out in their favor. Furthermore, relocating to Asia will allow them to capitalize on the region's already burgeoning industry. According to the data, the Asian market has increased by more than 13% year-on-year. This means that for every year that Ripple delays, it may miss out on enormous price changes that might earn a lot of money. Tranglo's CEO, Jackie Lee, also remarked that they have successfully bridged the payment structures that consumers have been waiting for. It was also discovered that transactions have increased by more than 130% year-on-year. This price increase will almost probably alter how the prices travel across the chart. The Ripple narrative continues as they revealed the news that Ripple worked on enabling same-day remittances to Malaysia via Money Match. Ripple's growth did not end there, as they expanded their base to include South Korea, where money transfer provider Global Money Express Company Limited, GME Remittance joined RippleNet to expand remittances between South Korea and Thailand. As they do so, their search for new applications for XRP continues unabated. They have been striving to grow beyond the XRP ledger technology and take it beyond payments to central bank digital currencies for quite some time. This has been halted due to a case was filed by the SEC against Ripple for selling unregistered securities. In the long run, the matter appears to have reached a stalemate in which neither party is willing to give up. The judge approved the SEC request to extend the deadline for expert discovery until January 14, 2022 on October 20th. This indicates that the legal squabble between the two will last at least until the end of January, and it will almost likely have an impact on the prices that follow and the trend that appears on the charts. The effect that this shift will have on the charts will undoubtedly be quite intriguing to observe. In fact, as the case progresses, we may see some significant price fluctuations. However, before that, it is critical for the XRP to remain stable at a particular level that maintains the price over time. The RippleNet cloud was used by the Al Ansari Exchange, a UAE-based exchange and global money transfer organization. The rate at which technology advanced was astounding, and we may be able to see some significant changes in how it is implemented in the future. All of these changes would have had a significant influence on prices if the lawsuit had not been there. Despite its presence, the price of XRP has been climbing, which is a very strong sign of the level of market support that it may receive. MoneyMatch, a global cloud-based financial network platform, was contacted to provide same-day remittances to Malaysia. Again, the employment of MoneyMatch made things considerably better, as their familiarity with money transfer methods was extensive. As previously said, the 130% increase in Simply Asia over the years is an indicator of the market that this technology may capture. The only potential stumbling block is the continuing case against the SEC, which has yet again reached a stage where we may see an extension and a lengthy wait for a final judgment. While many experts have begun to weigh in on the case and the newest moves from either party, we believe it is still too early to tell the way things will turn out. Despite the fact that Ripple has a stronger case, we may face significant resistance from the SEC, as they have never been found agreeing to back off from the case law. Apart from working out the technology, this may thus be one of the biggest difficulties where the entire future of XRP may be compromised. As a result, Ripple's legal team, as well as the company's higher-level executives, are fighting back against the SEC and their arbitrary decision to classify XRP as a security while classifying related projects like Bitcoin and Ethereum as cryptocurrency. The lack of clarification in terms of the foundation for review prolonged the case even longer. And to make matters worse, the SEC denial regarding the lack of clarity in the regulations prolonged the case even further. The technological advancements and opportunities that Ripple has received will most likely have a significant influence only when the XRP begins to work at its full capacity and the community realizes that the threat of a lawsuit has passed. Prices may not climb to the levels anticipated until then. That's all there is to it. And with that, we have completed our video. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of what is going on in the world of XRP. We'd love to hear your thoughts on all of this, as well as the influence you believe these updates and partnerships will have on the price in the long and short term. We also hope you enjoyed the video and leave a comment telling us how much your cryptocurrency will be worth next year. Please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. We'll be back soon with more crypto news at How It Will Crypto. English is widely spoken in the United States.